Welcome back, guys. I'm Pumi and Coleman. Welcome back to another market breakdown. First one this year. Last year was a successful year, man. Successful year. Market breakdown setups are on point. So, guys, why am I doing market breakdowns? I'm doing market breakdowns to not just give you guys indications in terms of where's the best areas to enter, but mostly so that you guys can analyze and compare your analysis to mine and see where your analysis stands versus mine, right? Then what do we do after? You want to evaluate the results to see if it's working or not. My strategy, your strategy. That's why I'm doing this, so I can show you guys that my strategy works. That's why I'm doing this, man. So I hope you guys take notes and you guys evaluate if my setups that I give to you actually make sense or if they actually work. That's how you can see if I know what I'm doing or not. That's one of the cheat codes to see if I actually know what I'm doing or not. But without wasting time, and we're gonna dive into Nasdaq. And also, I wanna say something. Guys, the market has been indecisive. So there's periods when the market is indecisive. On my website, remember last year, for some of you were here, and if you're not here, so basically my website, you can find the link in the description below. You're gonna find a free trading ebook if you wanna get a free trading ebook, or if you wanna go straight to our website, free educational content, a lot of it, bro. There's a lot. Strategic Trading Academy focused on technical analysis. You can go read that. So basically, guys, the market is indecisive. There's times where the market is providing, and there are times where the market is not providing. That's what I mentioned last year. Right now, we're going through times where the market is not providing. So what happens in times like this? The apex predators of Wall Street, the hedge funds manipulate. It's easier for them to manipulate retail traders, which are traders like us who don't have liquidity to influence the market. They do, we don't, right? So right now we need to know how to navigate through this. I'm also going to show you guys, I'm going to create content in terms of how these manipulations occur. So stick around if you want to be here for that. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. Most importantly, please communicate with me in the comment section. Let me know what you guys' thoughts are so we can just build on that, right? So right now we're going to dive straight into the charts, right? Let's dive straight into the chart. So guys, we're gonna be looking at Nasdaq100. So let's just push prices back to the daily time frame. As you can see on the daily time frame, right, the market has been respecting support, resistance, support. So basically, on terms of the daily, you're expecting the market to complete this trend. So does it mean that we can just enter here and hold? Hell nah, we're gonna be liquidated. So we need to find opportunities in the market where we can capitalize, opportunities where we can use small risk and get a big reward, right? That's all we're looking for. So we're gonna dive into the 4-hour time frame. So Nasdaq this last couple of weeks has been indecisive, guys. It's literally been indecisive, like, yeah. And I'm also documenting, like I said in my previous video, I'm documenting a real account, which I'm going to be sharing with you guys. I'm going to show you how to flip a real account, how to flip 1,000 Rand account and make it bigger using proper risk management and limiting risk. It's simple. All it needs is following a simple strategy, and that's basically it. Simple. I'll show you guys later on. So right now it's still building. I won't show you now, I'll show you later on, because if I show you now, it's gonna be unfair. I want to show you long term that I'm consistent, right? So I'll show you that later. So guys, as you can see, Nasdaq, we've been up and expecting the market to complete this trend, but as we saw, the market came here, broke down, pushed back. It's failing to break this resistance level right here. It's failing to break this resistance level right here, right? And it's also failing to break the support. So the market is just playing around this area. So if it's a good area to buy, imagine this, think about this. If you would have bought here, liquidated, if you'd have used this nice stop loss, you would have been liquidated because of the pullback, the market manipulation that occurred here. The market broke up out of this trend, so it can trap sellers. The people who sold you were trapped. They were literally trapped. If you sold here, you were trapped. And if you did sell here, this is the reason why you were trapped. So if you did get trapped here, it's okay. Getting trapped is part of learning and it's part of the game, right? So it's okay if you got trapped there. So the market pushed back and it failed to reach or nor break this level, because I'm expecting market to break and continue. It's failing to break and continue. And it also pushed back down, created a fake out. More buyers here got liquidated, even though they got it right. Keep in mind they did get it right. It was a good place to buy, but they got liquidated. So after some time, if you did get liquidated, what you should do is that, okay, you should notice that the same pattern is occurring again. It occurred here, and it's occurring here, and it occurred here, here, and here. So what does this mean? It means that you should chill and wait for the market. Market is still grabbing liquidity. Hedge funds are manipulating. Everything is happening all at once. So what would I do in a situation like this? In a situation like this, currently now, I'm going to wait. But hold on. I am going to wait for the market to break, create a new trend, come back, and I will capitalize, right? I want to see what the market is going to do, the trend that is going to create once it breaks, then I'll just follow that. Or if the market pushes back down, I will not go in for entries here, because I don't want the same patterns to repeat. And like we said, history can repeat itself. So I'm not sure. So it looks like the market is indecisive. So the problem could be the trade wars that America is going through. I'm a pure technical. I don't focus too much on fundamentals, but I do follow politics. I follow what's happening around the world so I can see what's going on. And using just chart analysis, I can see that the market is playing around this area. So I want to see what's going to happen. I will wait for the market to either break below, right? Then I'll catch maybe entries here at the lower ground, back up, going back up, closing and entering as the market goes. Or I'm just going to wait for the market to break and continue create new setups. Right now, I don't currently have a setup for Nasdaq100, so I'm gonna wait. So basically what I would do is, guys, TradingView offers alerts. I'm not gonna be always looking at the market every 2 seconds. I'm gonna place my alert here for when the market breaks. I would place my alert here, right? I already used up my free alerts, guys. That's okay. I still have an alert. As you can see, it's placed here, so it would alert me that when the market breaks above, if the market breaks above, then I should start looking at the market, right? So it will let me know, and I will place an alert here back down at the support. So I'm using free mode. I'm already used this these alerts on US30, right? Because I'm growing the small account with US30. So I've placed all the alerts there, so I don't miss out anything on that. So I can show you guys how to literally flip an account based on that. This is my free account, right? I'm using the free account to demonstrate all of this. So that's basically what I want to see. I want to see what the market is going to do. I want to see what I'm going to wait. I've been waiting patiently. Even if it takes a month to wait, it's fine. All I want to do is capitalize on high probability setups. That's basically it for Nasdaq. Let's see what it does, whether the market will push back down here or if it will break. If it breaks, make sure to catch the next episode to see and follow how I actually do things, right? It's your boy Mpumi and Code Funds and Kilo, where investing means more.